Welcome to telaHosting, how to set up URL frame in cPanel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a URL frame in cPanel. First, let me explain what a URL frame actually is and how it differs from a regular URL redirect. With a standard redirect, when someone visits your domain, they get sent to a different URL and the address bar in their browser shows that new URL. A URL frame works differently. Instead of redirecting the visitor, it fetches the content from the destination website and displays it in a frame on your page while your original domain name stays visible the whole time. So from the visitor's perspective, they see the content from another site, but the URL always shows your domain. There is an important technical note before we start. cPanel does not have the built-in tool for setting up URL frames, so you do it manually by adding specific HTML code to your site's index file. There are two HTML tags you can use to achieve this, the iframe tag and the frameset with no frame tags. However, if you're building a modern website, always use the iframe method. The no frames tag is not supported in HTML5 and is considered outdated. To set up URL frame using the iframe tags, you insert this code into your main index file and save changes. To set up URL using the no frames tag, you insert the following code into your main index file and save changes. So log into cPanel and go to the Files section, then click on File Manager. Navigate to the document root folder for the domain you want to set up the frame for. If it's your main hosting domain, that folder is public_html. If it's an add-on domain, the folder will be public_html followed by the add-on domain. But in this case, we're using the public_html. Once you're inside the correct root folder, create a new file by clicking the New File button and name it index.html. Once the file appears in the list, right-click on it and select Edit to open the code editor. Inside the editor, paste the code, then replace the words site title with whatever name you want to appear in the browser, but I'm leaving it as site title. Once the code is in place, click Save Changes and that's it. When someone visits your domain, their browser will load your index.html file, which pulls in and displays the content from the destination URL, all while your domain name stays in the address bar throughout. With this, you can successfully set up URL frame in cPanel. So happy hosting. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.